Tom, this is your 148. Okay, I found the problem. See that line right there? I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but there's a line that runs right down through here. That, my friend, is a crack. It's a crack in the PC board. See it move right there? I don't know if you can see it with me pushing on it with my finger. See that damn thing close up? I thought that it was just a strand of glue or something when I first started looking at it. But I happened to be looking at the other side of the board. And I noticed that. You see that right there coming off that capacitor? It runs underneath this transformer, and I lost it right there. It runs down along the radio. How in the hell that got cracked is just the only thing I can think of is whoever pushed down on those damn audio jacks pushed too fucking hard. I'm sorry, pushed too freaking hard. And the glue part here, I mean, that's a good idea right there. Whoever did that, that's, you know, that's a good idea. But the other shit that got done in here, well, I think, okay, see, like these two runs right here, they're cut in half. All right, and that one right there. Now I can follow this crack down through the board. See, like right through there, I'll need to scratch the masking off of that. And put a little solder bridge across it. And I think it runs right in between them two there. Right down through there. And I don't know where it goes from there. Maybe that's where it stops, right there. Runs right up through here. But yeah, it's cracked. Now, I can patch it up, but that's the cause of our problems right there, because there's the voltage regulator. Okay, and it's got legs that run to all these parts back here. And of course, we got audio. I noticed if I tapped on the side of the radio, it just made a hell of a scratching noise. I'm sure you'd notice that too. I disconnected this diode because I thought maybe that was the cause, but it wasn't. I was getting talk back even with this guy disconnected, so I knew there was something else going on. But see, it runs right across that run there, cuts across these two, and that's definitely a crack. Those two runs right there are separated. This one is separated. Okay, it goes around this, right down along, goes around this one, but right through the middle of this one, and continues on down. And I think that it stops right there. Okay, like I said, I'd have to scrape the masking off and put some solder bridges across this. I could put a solder bridge across that, scrape the masking off on the ground plane. Starting up here, I want to start up here to stop it so the crack don't spread. And all down through here. And if this happened in shipping. God damn, they must have really threw this son of a bitch around. But I don't think it happened in shipping. I think somebody was pressing on the audio transformer. It's my personal opinion. But I think somebody put the hurdy-gurdy factor on this damn thing and the board cracked. Because see, when I press on it, see that crack open up? So I think somebody was pushing on this thing or pressing around in this area. Anyway. Alright. Let me get to fixing it. Okay, Tom. You can see where I made connections down through here on both sides of the crack, and on these I scraped the masking back and applied solder. And there's another patch for the ground plane, another one there, another one there, and all of these that it ran into or through, I made sure that there was a good amount of solder bridging the connection. Okay, now time for me to hook it back up and see what we got. Okay, so far so good. Get back on the voltage point here. You can see it's nice and smooth. I didn't know. I don't think I showed you what it was doing before, but I had a big old sawtooth right there. And the reason for that is that the ground plane back there was separated. That's why it would pop, snap, crackle, and pop anytime you moved anything. I thought it was just the speaker jack, but the speaker jack was fucked up. But I've replaced the speaker jack. Okay, I'm sorry. The speaker jack was screwed up. But that's on lower sideband right there. Okay, it's seems to be doing just fine. I'll be doing some more tests. More that I think about it. Okay, sorry about that. What I was going to say is that, God damn, shut up. You know, them damn scanners always start talking when I get on the camera. They don't say a damn thing till I get ready to make a video. Alright, what I was going to say, this audio transformer right here, the more I think about it, I think somebody dropped this damn radio pretty hard. I didn't see a dent in the case. You know, and the cases, they don't look crooked. You know, they don't look bent up, so it must have been dropped flat. All them damn brown box kickers. But I think it was dropped from a pretty good height. And I believe this guy here, when it hit, is what cracked the board. Okay, but seems to be doing fine now. I think we took care of everything with those little patches there. And I got plenty up here on the end so it don't spread anymore, and same thing down here. See where it stops right there? I got lots of solder over that so it can't go any further. Alright. Oop, bumped the clarifier. You may want to think about putting you a 10-turn clarifier in there. Okay, All right, I'm on the, see if I can't roust up some locals, see if they can hear anything, but I'm pretty sure they won't because that signal was clean. All right. Okay, I got it all put back together now. I got several good reports on it before that bad thunderstorms come through, but got all good reports. 4 or 5 of the local guys. Let's see, George, Jeff, Dave, Rick, and Noel. So got 5 good reports on it. Talked on it for quite a while till the thunderstorms blew up, and then I got off of it real quick because I don't want the thunderstorms blowing it up after I got the damn thing fixed. Okay, and there we go. That's working again like it should. Yeah, there was some kind of funky feedback thing because of that cracked board. I'm not sure what was going on, but it's working perfect now. We did not put scan in this one, did we? No. Okay. I didn't think we did. Alright. There it is. I'm gonna get her boxed up and ship back to you there, buddy. It's working perfect. Like I said, got good reports on it. I ain't got the microphone plugged in it. And I said, damn, I wonder why I don't hear anything. But you gotta have the microphone plugged into these to hear anything. So, alright. Holler back at me if you need something else. And I put a sticker on there, so if somebody else gets in there, you'll know it. Okay. I go to tear that sticker off, it'll leave that thing on there. Plus now, got a video of the sticker on there, along with the serial number. Okay. All right.